Hello everyone, welcome to Brilbook. In this video, we will have a look at production process for completion of sales order. We have divided this video into two different parts, and in this part we will see configuration data required for sales order process, creation of sales order and order batch against order line, approval of sales order, status of sales order, then we will see creation of production order against order batch, and at last we will see completion of production order. So now for creation of sales order, we need to log in to Brilbook. Here I have already logged in with sales user. For creation of sales order, navigate to sales, expand sales menu list and then click on orders. Now on the orders list page, with the help of create button, we will create a new order. Here on the order create page, select account and contact under the basic section. Then when we scroll down, there is a flag as auto inventory check. When we set this flag as yes, our inventory will get auto checked after approval of order, and when we set this flag as no, then inventory check button will get visible on the order detail page. So now we will set this flag as the no and then click on pricing tab. Here select price list, select site, and you can see there is a flag as auto create production order. If we set this flag as yes, our production order will get auto created after approval of sales order, and when we set this flag as no, then create production order button will get visible on the order detail page. So now click on save button to save this order. Our sales order is now created, and we can see different tabs like items, invoice detail files and order review appeared. So now we will create order line. For that, navigate to items and then click on create button. Here select product category and product, then add quantity. You can add tax group or discount as per your requirement. Scroll down and you can see there is a field as line BOM. Here select BOM. We have to select a BOM regarding the product that we have selected, and then click on save and close button. Our order line is now created and we are redirected to the order detail page. And under the items tab we can see our our order line is added. Now our next step is to complete the order review. For that, navigate to order reviews tab and then click on the order review record. Here you can see on the detail page of order review, there is a send for review button. Click on send for review button. Status of order review is marked as in review. Select status as completed and then click on save and close button. Our order review is now completed and we are redirected to the order detail page. Under the order review tab we can see status is marked as completed. Now we will submit and approve this order. For that, click on ellipse and then click on approval and then click on submit button. Our production order is submitted and we have received a notification regarding the approval of order. You can see status of our sales order is marked as submitted. Now for approval, click on ellipse, approval and then click on approve button. We have successfully approved our sales order. We can see status of our order is accepted. and status of our order line is marked as submitted to design team. Now we need to log in with design user and approve this order line. For that, now we will log in with design user. I have logged in with design user. Click on the notification bell and here you can see we have received notification regarding approval of order line. Click on the notification. And we can see there is an approve button on the detail page of order line. Click on approve. We have approved our order line and you can see status is marked as approved. Now we will again log in with sales user and further process towards completion of sales order. I have logged in with sales user and we are on the detail page of the sales order. After approving the order line by design team, we can see status of our order is marked as approved. Now click on ellipse button and here you can see auto inventory check and create production order button gets visible. So now we will do auto inventory check. Now we have done inventory check for our sales order and you can see status of order is marked as in progress and then status of order line is marked as in planning. So we will open the record of order line. Here on the order line detail page, when we scroll down, we can see our pending quantity shows 10. Our reserve quantity is 0. Here click on the order batch tab and we can see our order batch is created for 10 quantity regarding the order line. Now we will again go back to the order detail page. For that, click on the hyperlink into the order field. Now on the order detail page, click on ellipse and then click on create production order button. Now again go to the items tab, open the order line record. Here we can see status of order line is marked as in execution, and under the production order tab we can see our production order is created regarding the angular contact ball bearing. So now we will log in with production user to complete this production order. I have logged in with production user now and we are on the detail page of production order that we have created against the sales order. So now here for the production order we will select production route. Our design BOM is auto set according to the BOM that we have selected into the order line. Now click on save button. Now our next step is to submit and approve production order. For that, click on approval and then click on submit button. We have submitted our production order, and as we have selected send for design review BOM as no, our production order has been approved by the design team. Now click on plan button. Status of production order is marked as in planning. Now click on schedule button. Now inventory check is done on click on schedule button, and reservation status is reserved. Now here we can see our production order operations are created. So now select the production order operation and then click on schedule button. Now status of production order operation is marked as scheduled. Now again select the operations and then click on complete button. Now here status of production order operations is marked as completed. Now our next step is to complete the production order operation items. For that, click on production order items tab, select order items and then click on mark in progress button. Your status of order item is marked as started. Now again select the order items and then click on mark produced button. Status of order item is marked as completed, and with this status of production order is also marked as production completed. So with this we have successfully completed the production order against the sales order. So in this video we saw configuration data required for sales order, then we saw creation and approval of sales order, we saw creation of sales order line and sales order and order batches against order line. Then we saw creation of production order against the order batch, and then we saw completion of production order. Thank you.